Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fulfill orders on Shopify. Before I begin with the video, I can offer Shopify completely for free your first 3 days, and then you only have to pay 1 month. So let's start. So to fulfill them manually, you basically have to go to your Shopify admins, then go to orders. So you can see admin, then you want to go to orders. From there, you want to click on the order number or an unfulfilled order. So you are going to see unfulfilled order here. And then if you're using Shopify shipping, you need to buy a shipping label for your order, then create a shipping label. But if you're using a carrier other than Shopify shipping, then click fulfill items and the tracking number for your shipping provider. And from them, you of course want to send an email notification to the customer right away. Select send shipment details to your customer now, and this option is of course only available if you have an email address for the customer on file. And then you want to click fulfill items to mark the order as fulfilled. If you're using Shopify shipping, then select shipping service and then click buy shipping label, and that's it. If you want to do it via your iPhone or Android, again, go to Shopify app, tap orders, tap on the order that has fulfillment status of unfulfilled. Then you can do this optional step. And again, it's the same as desktop. If you are using Shopify shipping, get the label, create a shipping label, and etc. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And also, if you want the Shopify offer, click the link in the description.